With All Saints' Day fast approaching, flower buyers are flocking to Dangwa in Manila for affordable blooms. Despite some price hikes, many are still choosing Dangwa for its wide selection and lower costs compared to other areas. Our Vel Custodio reports.
From Bulacan, Marife traveled all the way to Dangwa to buy flowers for All Saints' Day. She said that flowers are still cheaper in Dangwa.
300 daw po.
Pag mga ganyang bulaklak po ba sa Bulacan, mga magkano po ang
Mga 500.
More and more people are buying flowers in Dangwa as All Saints' Day approaches. Flower arranged in styrofoam placeholders is still cost 100 pesos each, but the prices of some of the most in-demand flowers have gone up. Carnations now cost 230 pesos per 10 stems from previous 200 pesos. Malaysian mums are priced between 450 and 600 pesos per dozen, while Peruvian lilies cost 80 pesos per dozen. Flower arrangement in baskets range from 300 to 1,000 pesos depending on the size and type of flower used. According to flower vendors, buyers can still ask for discount if they purchase in bulk, but for small quantities, they can no longer lower the price since supplier costs have also gone up.
Wala po kami nagpapakam kasi ma'am, kasi mahal na rin po kasi ng mga bulaklak ngayon ma'am. Baka tataas rin po yung mga presyo ngayon ma'am, mga kampo. Start po siguro mga 31. Magtataas na po ng mga bulaklak po.
Flowers can also be bought individually and arranged on the spot in Dangwa. Advance orders are also accepted.
Meron naman po nag-a-advance po order sa online po. Pero mas marami po pag harap-harapan pong pamili po.
Another vendor, Christopher, shared tips on how to keep flowers fresh.
Laging may laman yung tubig, nakababad yung tubig sa pum. Kasi yun yung sumisip-sip ng tubig yung pum. Lagyan lang ng tubig. Ngayon pag naubos na yung tubig nun,
Epektibo po ba yung paglalagay, pagpapatak ng bleach?
totoo rin po, pwede rin po.
Pag mga ganun ba, ilang araw po yung tinatagal?
Maabot po yan ng 1 week, ma'am. Depende yun sa anong bulaklak. Tulad ng mga anthurium, ma'am, tumatagal ng 2 weeks yan, mga ganito po. Kasi original po yan, pero tawag dito, matagal sa bago mabulok, malanta.
A flower bouquet can last up to 4 to 5 days, while roses can stay fresh for up to a week even without water. Vel Custodio for the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.